Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix DirectX function GetDeviceRemoveDreason failed with error here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up and then go with settings. Once you have opened your settings, just have to wait until it will be ready for you. Okay? Here, you need to proceed on System, which is placed at the left side of it next to Home, and proceed on Power and Battery. Click on it. Once you have the click on it, you need to proceed on Power Mode. Okay? Click this arrow icon here and set it into Best Performance. Once you have set it, just have to close this window and then you need to restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, proceed to the second step, which is here to start icon again. Please do a right click, scroll up, and then go with Device Manager. Once this new window will appear, you need to expand it first, okay? And proceed on display adapters, where here you need to click this forward arrow and go with your graphic cards. Now here you might have a different name of different name of the graphic cards, and that's completely fine. That's exactly the same. Okay, so just have to do a right click. Once you have selected it, go with update driver, and it will opt you to choose two options. You need to proceed on search for automatically for drivers, and if your device says that the best drivers is already installed, close this window and then close this device manager, and we need to proceed to our third step. Our third step will be navigating the same process, and that is to open our device manager. So here at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up and then go with device manager. And once this new window will open, just have to expand it first and proceed again to display adapters. Click this forward arrow and then select your graphic cards. Here this time you need to do a right click again, but this time you need to go with uninstall device. Before attempting to uninstall your device, you need to make sure that this box is unchecked. Attempt to remove the driver for this device. It must be unchecked, sorry, and then click on uninstall. The moment you have uninstalled it, just have to close this window and then you need to restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. But let's say if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our fourth step. Our fourth step will be here at the bottom search bar. This time you need to type for CMD. Once you have typed that, you need to click on Run as Administrator. Your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to open this blank window. Here, you need to type a command which is sfc space forward slash scan now. Again, it is sfc space forward slash scan now. Then click on enter, and this will do system scanning, and this process will take some time. It might take 5 to 7 minutes or more than that. It would depend on your machine. Just have to leave this command prompt window open unless you are done. And once the verification or once the system scanning will be done, okay, let's say, just have to restart your computer and check if your problem has been fixed once you have relaunched it. Okay? But let's say if it doesn't fix, then we need to move on to our fifth step. Our fifth step will be here at the bottom search bar again. This time you need to type for regedit. The moment you've typed it, wait until a best match will appear, okay, which is the registry editor. We're here, you need to go with run as administrator. Your user account control will again proceed with yes so that you would be able to run this window. We're here, you need to follow this registry path, which is this, okay? So just have to post this video so that you can follow, okay? And you can perform the steps. Okay, so click on enter. And the moment click on enter, you'd be redirected here at the graphics drivers. Okay, where here you need to proceed to the center of your screen and you need to create a DWORD 32-bit value. Okay, how you can do such? Okay, so here In this blank area, you need to do a right click, go with new, and go with the word 32-bit value. And you need to rename that TDR delay. Okay. Once you have renamed that, click on enter, and you need to change the value data into 0 or either 15. How you can change that is have to double tap it. And if you want to go with hexadecimal, proceed with 0. And if you want to go with decimal, you need to proceed by 15. Okay. So just have to choose whatever you want, either 0 under hexadecimal or 15 under decimal, and then click on OK. Once you have created, you need to proceed on creating a new DWORD 32-bit value, which is here you need to do a right click again, go with new, and go with DWORD 32-bit value. And this time you need to name that DDR level. Once you have renamed that, click on enter. And this time again, you need to change the value data into 0 and then click on OK. And once you're done, you need to close this window and then you need to restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. But let's if it doesn't, then we need to bound to our last step, which is here at the start icon. Please do a right click, scroll up, and then go with settings. Okay, so once you have opened your settings, proceed directly to Windows Update. Click on it, and here you need to update your computer or laptop to the latest version. Okay, just have to go and check for updates or resume updates to start on updating such. Okay, so definitely it will take some time, but it will be worth it since it will fix all the issues and make improvements in your laptop or computer. Okay, so once you have updated your latest once you have updated your laptop to the latest version, it will be fixed. Okay? So those are the 6 steps on how to fix your problem. If those steps helps you, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.